Hey everyone, Scott from Dinosaur here to make a quick video on how to build your collection conversion rate reports in Google Analytics 4. This is the top report that we use to check how the sorting is affecting conversion rates for customers and to be able to just continually monitor that over time. This is going to be your best place to check all your collections, not just dinosaur collections, so you can really start to see what's working and what impact the dynamic sorting is having on your collections. So let's kick this up. What you do is once you're in Analytics, go to Explore. Under Explore, we're going to create a funnel exploration. So go ahead and click on that. And once this opens up, we're going to go ahead and kick out these two events here because we don't need them, and we're going to then hit edit on this one. We can get rid of the second one, and on this first one we're going to switch this to, we're going to type in page path, and we want to do page path plus query string, and we're going to name this, we'll just call it collections because it's more than one. In this filter, we're just going to say it contains collections because your URL will contain that word collection. So we're going to apply that. So page path query string, and then we're going to do a purchase. If you can take out in-app purchase if that doesn't apply to you, and we want to indirectly follow it by. We go ahead and hit apply. Now what we need to do is we need to add the dimension for that so we can see which ones are working. So we click on dimensions here. Again, we're going to do page path. That's going to page path plus query string. We want to delete out device category, and we want to go ahead and put page path plus query string. Switch this to 15. And then what we're going to be able to see here is what our conversion rate is by collection. So we're able to really quickly see, oh, well, this one's 10.6% conversion rate. Like, that one's crushing. Yeah, it didn't get as many views as some of the others, but what are we doing there that's working really well? This one here is at 7.3. So you can really quickly start to see what's working. And at the bottom here, you won't really need this information. That's not really relevant, but you can check all your conversion rates here, and you'll see it stops at 15. So you might be like, man, we got way more than 15 collections, so I need more information than this. We'll actually get to that in just one second. But you can also add in some of your different dimensions here if you wanted to do segment comparison of desktop traffic. So you could pull in your different templates here, demographics if you wanted to look at that. You can add in those different user segments if you wanted to, and then you can have even more information to say, oh, well, I want to see, direct traffic versus paid traffic. How are my collections working differently, and what's my conversion rate difference between paid? So here's my direct traffic. I can see my conversion rate. If I scroll down, I'll get my paid traffic and the conversion rate. So you can start to look at those side by side there if you wanted to. And that's really helpful if you want to start to see, okay, well, how is this affecting different types of consumers? But for now, we're just going to leave this as open. And now, so if I wanted to see all my collections, what you're going to do is you're going to click up here to save this report in your library. You would name it whatever you want. Let's say collection conversion rates. This report helps us define the best converting collections. So once you save that in there, then once that's in your report library, then you're able to go to your report library and you'll see collection conversion rates. You can actually drop that into whatever sections of your website you want in or your analytics at that point, and you can drop it wherever you want. and then it'll show you all the results. So hope that helps, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.